So, why exactly do marshmallows get bigger when you put them in the microwave? Well, as you can see, we got a marshmallow in here. So we're gonna tell you why. Okay, do it. Now 1, 2, press. As you can see, the marshmallow looks like it's getting bigger. No! Bam! It's bigger. Oh, and if you have Cheerios, you can mix Cheerios to make like it. Yeah, if you have Cheerios, you can make it into Cheerio crispy treats. Like this might be how. See, it's all mushy. You can try this experiment at home if you have a microwave.
Yeah, and I can get Cheerios and show you how to make it.
I don't have Cheerios.
Yes, we do.
No, we don't.
Yes, we do.
And see, it's mushy. Yeah. So, to do it, so, as you can see for an example, okay, add it. Do it, Log.
Okay, so you add like a couple of Cheerios.
And while she's doing that,
Maybe like a small handful.
yeah, add a little handful. Add a handful of Cheerios.
And then put them in.
And then,
Maybe a little more. Like a
no, that's enough. And then it just sticks to the gooey marshmallow and...
No, not yet. And then you have to...
But they do it like this with Rice Krispies. So, the reason why
And then you stir it.
and then you can eat it.
It's a little gooey though.
And you get marshmallow crispy treats.
And I'm gonna eat some.
Cereal crispy treats. So that's how it's made, but it's made with Rice Krispies.
And
And
you can do Cheerios.
and why it expands is because when gases like air get hot, they expand.
And it's very yummy.
And when they expand, there are 3 ingredients in marshmallows that I know of: sugar, gelatin, and air. So when the air of the marshmallow gets bigger, the marshmallow gets bigger too because the air is inside the marshmallow. But I don't think it would work with campfire. If we do it on a campfire, would it?
That's an interesting question.
We don't know, but maybe you can work that out.